Have you ever heard about female ejaculation and are curious to understand what it is, how it occurs, and how it can be provided to your partner? Then stay until the end of this video, because we will clarify all these questions and reveal the 4 essential steps to stimulate this experience. Let's go. Few people know that women can also ejaculate or even know what squirting is. It is common to associate ejaculation exclusively with men, but the reality is that women's potential goes far beyond that. Women can experience different types of orgasm, and squirting is one of them. This phenomenon occurs when the G-spot is stimulated to a level capable of releasing a liquid through the region, a process also known as urinary response during climax. Many people believe that this liquid is urine, but this is not the case. The substance expelled is watery and originates in the Skene's glands, which are located around the female urethra. Therefore, squirting should not be confused with urine. If you observe carefully after making your partner ejaculate, you will notice that the liquid is whitish in color and does not have the characteristic odor of urine. Now, how do you help your partner achieve this experience? There are 4 fundamental steps you must follow. But first, take the opportunity to subscribe to the channel, like it, and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Step 1. Empty the bladder. Before you begin, it is important that your partner completely empty her bladder in the bathroom. Many women feel a strong sensation of urinating during this process, which occurs because the stimulation of the G-spot affects an area close to the urethra and bladder. If she tries to hold back the urge to urinate, this tension can prevent female ejaculation. Therefore, make sure that she has gone to the bathroom beforehand and can relax without fear. Also, have some towels nearby, as some women release large amounts of liquid. This way, you protect the environment and ensure a more peaceful experience without unnecessary worries. Step 2. Create a safe and relaxing environment. For this process to occur, your partner needs to be completely comfortable. If she feels pressured to squirt, it can make it harder or even impossible to have the experience. So, make it clear that there is no obligation. Tell her that whether or not it happens, the experience will be pleasurable for both of you. Another important point is to reassure her about any discomfort. Some women are afraid of urinating during the process, but it is essential that she understands that there is no problem at all. Creating a safe and worry-free space is essential for her body to completely relax and surrender to the experience. Step 3. Maximize arousal. For any type of orgasm to occur, the woman needs to be in a high state of arousal. Her body needs to accumulate enough heat and energy to reach this climax. So, take some time to stimulate the clitoris and other sensitive areas, exploring what excites her the most. Pay attention to signs such as heavy breathing, moaning, and increased blood flow to the genital region, which indicate that she is reaching a high level of pleasure. Step 4. Stimulate the G-spot correctly. At this point, you are ready to directly stimulate the G-spot. It is located at the top of the inner wall of the vagina, towards the abdomen. To find it, insert 1 or 2 fingers approximately 2 inches deep and explore the area. The G-spot has a different texture than the rest of the vaginal wall, resembling the ridges on the roof of the mouth. Start by applying gentle, rhythmic movements, such as continuous pressure, circular or back-and-forth movements. As arousal increases, you can intensify the movements. An effective technique is to stimulate the G-spot internally while massaging the clitoris with your thumb. At this stage, your partner should be deeply aroused and the pelvic region congested with blood flow. This is essential for squirting to occur. Keep the rhythm. Adjust the pressure according to her response and, if necessary, use a lubricant for greater comfort. If you notice that she is uncomfortable, ask her how she feels and adjust the intensity as necessary. But, in general, at this stage she will want more intense stimulation to reach climax. We hope this video has provided valuable information for you. If you liked it, leave a like and share your experience in the comments. See you in next video with more content.